Apply the label provided in the accessories bundle that identifies the ink set. Be sure that the waste cartridge is in its position. Connect the BN20 using the provided USB cable. With the front cover closed, flip the main power switch on the rear of the machine to the on position. Next, push the power button on the front of the machine. Open the utility software and you should now see the first screen prompt for installing ink cartridges. Click Next. Make sure to select the correct ink set type you are going to be using and then click Next. Check the inside of the ink slots to be sure they are clear of any debris that may have been left over during the shipping and unboxing process. You will be instructed on screen to insert a cleaning cartridge in the first slot and a dummy cartridge in each of the 4 remaining open slots. Using the provided cartridge insertion tool, load up the 4 dummy cartridges in the appropriate slots. Next, place the cleaning cartridge in the first slot. Then click Next. You will be prompted to then remove the cleaning fluid cartridge. You will not, however, need to fully remove it from the slot, but instead disengage the cartridge and pull out slightly. Return to your computer and click OK to verify you have disengaged the cartridge. When prompted, reinstall the cleaning cartridge so that it is fully engaged in the slot again. During this priming process, you'll be prompted to remove and reinsert the cleaning cartridge into the same slot several times before removing all dummy cartridges, the cleaning cartridge, and moving on to the next slot. At this time, you will remove all 4 dummy cartridges and then the cleaning cartridge for the first slot. Again, using the insertion tool, you will then insert the cleaning cartridge into the second slot and then insert the dummy cartridges in the remaining open slots. You will follow the same priming process that was done with the first cartridge slot for this second slot. The process of engaging, disengaging, and re-engaging the cleaning cartridge will continue on until you have completed this with all 5 of the BN20's ink cartridge slots. Once your BN20 has cycled the cleaning solution through the channels, the on-screen prompt will indicate it is complete. Once you have primed all 5 channels, the on-screen instructions will prompt you to hold while the cleaning fluid works through the system. Once it is finished, you will be instructed to insert the ink cartridges. Be sure to shake each cartridge and to match up the right color cartridges with the diagram on the ink cart slots. The ink filling will begin automatically. You will then be prompted to click Finished when the process is complete.